Hey awesome ones, Heather here. You know, one of the trends for the upcoming seasons is the put together outfit, and I'm not even too sure if that ever went out of style, but I know for myself, sometimes I get in a rut. You know, I'm just wearing like a top or a sweater and some pants and forget about the jewelry, forget about this, forget about the matching or whatever purse I want to wear. Well, I'm not going to do this in my video. I want to share with you some put together outfits, and it all starts in just a few seconds. So if you're thinking of stepping your style game up, this video will help. And the other thing that I wanted to do in this video, again, I encourage you to shop your closet, and you might look at some of these outfits and go, hey, I've got that. And perhaps all you need to do is maybe just buy a scarf or one of those stretchy belts that I mentioned, or maybe a little red dress. Now, there was a little bit of a change right there, but I'm going to be showing it all to you, from blue jeans to strictly business outfits. And let's get started with the first one. So my first outfit is great for, you know, the kind of casual weekend wear. So let's take a look. Now, believe it or not, you can wear denim with denim these days, the matchy-matchy, and I've got myself a nice denim jacket. I've got jeggings on. Also notice the t-shirt, I've knotted it in the front, and I did a video on fixing clothes up with different designs, and I'll put it up there at the top. Also, what about some sunglasses? And I love this frog brooch, just love it. It adds a little bit of fun to the whole outfit. And as you can see, it's casual, but it is put together. And check out those high heel pink, yes, I said pink shoes. They go nice with the jeggings, but of course, you might not want to wear jeggings. You might want to wear boyfriend jeans and also a pair of white running shoes. And check out this fun purse. We gotta have a fun purse, and this one has my message, love life everybody, and it's a put together outfit that I really like. There's another shot of those sneakers for one of those casual days, a good day for walking, and I might even wear this outfit today. Now, I love reading the comments, and some of you have been asking me to show some of the midi skirts, and so you're not going to believe this. I had one in my closet. I knew it was in style a long time ago, but for some reason I never wanted to throw this out. So I have an outfit for you where I'm wearing a midi skirt. Let's take a look. The 70s are back, baby, and here I am with a midi skirt. Yeah, so it's lots of fun. I also have paired it with some nice dangle earrings. I don't know if you can see them. There's a brown kind of stone in them. And what about the bangles? Bangles are really back, and you can sort of mix and match them. Also a crossbody, just a small purse for this. You can fit a lot in a small purse, and I just put a little jacket on, and check out my stretchy belt. I love those stretchy belts. And also the boots, you know, kind of a 70s flair to the boots. This is a great look for fall or winter. Oh, and by the way, we have links to many of the, well, very similar outfit pieces in the links below, and some of the jewelry that we're showing, and similar scarves and that sort of thing. So yeah, just check them out. There's some links below, but let's get on to the next one. And you know, I always talk about how we need a little black dress. But what about a little red dress? Well, a lot of you know that I did purchase a little red dress not too long ago. And let's take a look at how I made this into an outfit. So as you know, I'm all for the dress these days. And again, I'm going to put a video up above about how we should feel confident wearing a dress. But this I've put together as an outfit with a little side purse. Also, I've got my little black dangle earrings on. Also, check out the necklace. It's an elongating necklace because it is a longer necklace. and I've got the ruching in that dress that helps my tummy tuck in a bit. Also, I put on a pair of patterned hose, and I also have a little pair of black pumps to go with it. These happen to be suede, but look at how small the heels are. They're very comfortable for walking in. This is an outfit with a little bit of fun underneath, because you can go to work or someplace with this, but also if you're going out, you know, maybe to a party later or wherever you're going, you got the va-va-va-voom factor. So as I've mentioned before, the whole monochromatic look or matchy-matchy look is in. You know what, unless you're wearing all black, if you're wearing a lighter color, for us curvier women, a matching top and matching pants, well, it kind of makes us look bigger. It just doesn't break anything up a little bit. And sometimes if it's just a top and pants, it actually makes us look like we're wearing pajamas. So I wanted to give you my take on the matchy match look. And as I mentioned before, I'm cool with the whole denim jacket and denim you know, pants or blue jeans. That I'm okay with. That was really out before, but now it's in and I'm okay. But anyway, here's my take on the matchy-matchy look. First of all, there's that tree that I love, my inspirational tree coming out of a stone wall there, but here's my matchy-matchy look. I love yellow with royal blue, and notice these scarves. Scarves make a big difference. I actually did a video on 20 different ways to do a scarf, so I'll put it up there for you. Also, this is a rose gold purse, and rose gold is actually a neutral. It goes with everything. And talking about rose gold, check out the shoes. They're a neutral kind of look, so it just doesn't kind of stop there. It adds length and elongates my look. And notice I'm not wearing all black. This blue is actually a nice neutral, and I'm enjoying the matchy-matchy. And by the way, I'm so glad you're here. And if you're liking what you're seeing, I'd love you to be a subscriber. Just click on the button below that says subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the bell, and that way you'll be notified whenever I have a new video out. And thank you. And if you want to look elegant and classic, you can't go wrong with simply a black and white kind of tones. And it's also a really, really good idea for business. So let's take a look at that one. You know, a lot of these pieces you might even have in your closet right now. It looks very expensive, but the clothes are not super expensive. I have this lovely belt that I bought, and silver earrings as well. Also, underneath my shirt is a white camisole, and check out these glasses. And no, they're not $400 glasses, but they kind of make the look very, very nice and elegant. Also, the patterned hose with the ankle boots is a nice look. And check out this purse, it's so much fun. It's from New York City, and hey, we gotta have a little bit of fun with our clothing, and why not? You know, let's not take everything so serious. So in order to keep everything looking really put together and really classy, one of the things I need for a lot of my clothing is a portable steamer. I don't know if you can see this too well, but it's not one of those ones that has the big jug of water. The filter is right here, and well, not the filter, but the little reservoir, I should say, is right there. And I just love this. I plug it in, and just in a matter of seconds, it's ready to go. So if I'm wearing a silk top or something, and I go, or linen, you know what linen is like, this really comes in handy. I'm gonna link this below as well. The other thing, of course, and you can get this at any dollar store, is the little lint brush, and these are quite handy for saying, whoa, where did that come from? Our dog doesn't shed, but if I go to anybody's house with a cat, usually I come back wearing part of the cat, if you know what I mean, as far as all their fur. The other thing that I was always taught was people look at your shoes, and this is just a little shoe shiner. And it's got some kind of oil or something on it, and I just rub it on my shoes. Sometimes if I have shoes that are kind of scuffed, and I might need to touch them up with a little bit of, you know, the black polish or whatever, but I don't know who told me about that, but somebody said that especially in business, one of the first things people look at are your shoes. So let's not wear them all scuffed up. If we're going to go for a whole look, let's do it from top to bottom. So here's our little mascot, or our little cuteness factor, little Hurricane, and yes, Hurricane. And when Hurricane comes out, he sort of reminds me to talk to you about future videos. And if you do like these fashion videos, which you guys are loving the fashion videos, yay, I'm so glad that you're enjoying them. I just did one on fall fashion, and I'll put the link up there for you. Yes, I get all of your kisses, I certainly do, but I gotta get through this video, little guy. Anyway, don't forget too to check out our second channel, and our second channel is over at youtube.com/awesomeover50 inspiration, and we've been to Paris and Niagara Falls and also to London, and if you're thinking about going to those places, check out those videos. We'd love you to tag along. There's also some tech items that we found that we love, and some food and some fun, so don't forget to check that out. And for this station, I am trying out, hey, you know, I'm getting older. I'm 64 years old now, and my skin is changing, so I am really trying out some other skincare items, and I'm trying them out right now. I don't know if you can see the difference yet, but I do want to show those to you, so that's coming up very, very shortly. And yes, I'm going to have more fashion, and I'm also going to do some more of those slimming videos, you know, wearing clothes that help you make you look slimmer. Oh, I think he's noticing the difference in my, you notice the difference in my skin? Well, that's a good thing. But in the meantime, you know, there's a real feel-good feeling when you put yourself all together and you're really in an outfit. And so I'm going to suggest, you know what? Get that jewelry out, pull out those scarves, shine up those shoes, put on those bangles, and keep it awesome.